We're excited to share a core mechanic from our award-winning mobile game, Chicken Walk. The game took home the most technically impressive award for transforming a regular avatar into a hilarious animated chicken. And now, with this asset, any Horizon creator can give their players the same clucky experience. As a player, you'll discover a tiny chick perched on a mysterious podium. Grab it, and bam! You're transformed into an oversized, goofy, fully animated chicken. The animation is pure comedy. Feet pumping up and down, head bobbing, it's chicken perfection. But we didn't stop there. We made it extra awesome and super mobile friendly. You can easily adjust speed and jump distance, customize camera distance and field of view. And for maximum chaos, we gave the chicken a laser gun. Yep, this chicken is not to be messed with. Getting started couldn't be easier. Just drop the asset into your world and check out the README for guidance. No coding skills required. Simply click on the little chick, open the Properties window, and fine-tune settings like speed, jump, camera, and FOV. Have fun with the chicken asset. And remember, always look both ways before you cross the road.